That's a professional job, Chris, at St Asaph. 3-0 and a good all-round performance by everybody.
Yeah, I think we were a bit slow to start in the game, which is something that we need to improve on really, because it's been the case in a couple of the games. But I think after the first drinks break, 20 odd minutes in, we got a few messages onto the team and about shortening the play up, and I think the game started to open up a little bit more for us then. Really good moves, the first goal was a counter-attack, which is something that we're trying to work on a little bit. When teams do come on to us and take that chance, can we counter-attack them down the other end? And we did for the first goal, and the second goal was a lovely passing move that's finished off again by Johnny. So yeah, really pleased with it. Second half, I think we dropped our levels a little bit. Conditions, obviously it's a hot day and the pitch was a bit sticky and stuff, not giving them excuses. We need to be a bit more consistent over the full 90 minutes, but can't have too many complaints with a 3-0 win.
No, but it could have gone differently, because there was 2-0 and there's a couple of good saves by Josh Cook as well to keep Portmarnock at 2 ahead. Yeah,
I think he's had 3 starts now, hasn't he, for us, three clean sheets, so he started well. That's what he's there to do. Obviously, I think in every game so far he's had a moment like that where he's had to make an important save at an important time, so like I say, that's what he's there to do.
Good. So next week, 2 games, Llanelwy and Bethesda. What can we look out for next week?
We said before the game, it's a big week for us. Obviously it's only the start of the season, but it's a lot of games in a short space of time, so we're looking to really push on this week and start our season well. So we've had the perfect start today. It's about using the momentum now, trying to have a similar performance on Tuesday, and then again on Saturday next week to, like I say, rubber stamp a good start to the season.
Good start today, 3 points. Diolch yn fawr.
Diolch.